You may know Whitney Port from popular reality shows like The Hills and The City, but lately she's been keeping busy as a mom of a toddler. Whitney joins us now with Dr. Natasha Burgert, right, to discuss motherhood and keeping your little ones safe this summer. Did I pronounce that right, Dr. Burgert?
That's correct.
Okay, good. Whitney, I actually want to start with you. Tell us what you've been up to lately.
So, yeah, things have been a little bit crazy. As you said, I'm a mom to an almost 2-year-old named Sunny, who's just wonderful and amazing. And then we also reshot The Hills. So that reboot, The Hills New Beginnings, is airing on June 24th on MTV. And I recently launched my podcast called With Wit, which has been really amazing.
So a lot of things going on right now. Tell us, what is the most important thing that you've learned about motherhood so far?
Well, you know, being a first-time mom, we get so much unsolicited advice, and we don't really know exactly what to listen to. One of the things that I, was kind of confused about was especially concerning with first aid myths. So I'm here on behalf of Avrio Health to talk all about the First Aid Myths campaign, because I didn't know there were certain products that you can use that will actually help prevent infection before it starts. So that's what we're here to talk about.
All right, and so Dr. Burgert, this is where you come in, because we all want to know how to keep our kids safe this summer. So how do we do that?
No, absolutely. This is the season where a lot of moms are bringing in their kids to the office with minor cuts, scrapes, and burns that are inevitable when our kids are outside playing. So when it comes to keeping our kids safe, it's all about prevention. When your kid gets a minor wound, a topical antiseptic like betadine should be your first line of defense to kill germs and help prevent infection. We certainly use it in our office. It has a wonderful golden brown color, so I know exactly where I've put it on my patient's skin. I know that it's working, and my littlest patients appreciate that it has a no sting promise.
Oh, that's really good. I've got a 5-year-old, and that's the thing that she complains about the most, more than the wound, is the sting. So what's the best advice for treating those minor accidents when they do happen, if it's not a cut, if it's something else?
Yeah, for any minor cut, scrape, or burn, minor wound care is easy with 3 simple steps. So first, just gently clean the affected area, then treat with a topical antiseptic to help prevent infection, and finally protect the area with a bandage if needed.
Okay, and these myths, what are some of the myths that come your way the most that you gotta break down with this campaign?
Yeah, it's a lot of myths. Certainly we hear about putting butter on burns or jumping into the ocean to cure your infection, which we know are certainly myths. And we've put together a collection of these myths, as well as what the truth is, at firstaidmyths.com, so everyone will have a reliable source this summer to know exactly what to do for all of those minor battle wounds that our kids get throughout the summer.
It really is so important. And Whitney, you did hit the nail on the head where you get all that unsolicited advice and you really can't tell fact from fiction. So this website will definitely help with that. Thank you both so much for being here. Really appreciate it. We will be right back right after this. Stay tuned.